Hi, my name is Pieter de Vriend. I'm the partner manager for Rockwell Automation at Kezzler. Together with Rockwell, we offer a complete solution to attach unique identifiers to the product or sometimes a batch of products you produce. Now, the reason you want to do that is because you see a need and a value to make specific information about specific products or batches available and make that easily available. Now, that information is probably distributed among various data silos across your entire value chain. So using a unique identifier, we will weave a digital thread throughout the entire value chain and essentially digitize your product. That information about that product can now be shared with various stakeholders. Now, our technologies fit perfectly well together because Rockwell Automation will help you in the factory to take those unique identifiers from our cloud platform and attach those to the products, so you can start linking that data to them. Now, that combination allows you to, for example, be FESMA 204 compliant, or help you with traceability from the factory to the consumer and beyond, or use it to build a digital product passport about the products you put in the market, or overall address issues such as counterfeit or product diversion. You use the data to create a richer digital experience around your product and at the same time use a unique identifier to also set up a consumer loyalty program.